Oh, yini festivals.
Wawuvotelwa zizinja. Ayifuna uxoxa. Hayi bawuvotelwa zizinja. Ha! Hayi
Yeza
ayikubukela le into.
Yo. Oh, yini bawo. Oh, yini somandla.
Wow, hayi shem usifeyile urhulumente wase South Africa.
Yini somandla.
Awusifeyile. Noma angazama uyilungiselela thini le into awusifeyile.
Oh, yini somandla.
Wo bawuvotelwa zizinja. No, sizavotela umbutho ngomnye nokuthi nokuyintoni na but yona i-ANC phansi. Hayi phansi. Sizavotela hayi yona i-ANC phansi. Noba kungathiwa sivotela ntoni na noba ngumbutho ofika noba yintoni because ekugqibeleni ntoni i-ANC yezikho i-ANC.
Ay, 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 ay. Ay, bo! Ay, iba! Ay, bo! Sisi-nhliziyo yakho! Ay, uyaba nesono! Hayi, bo! Hayi, bo, sisi! Ay, 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 ay! Hayi, bo! Buhlungu le nto yenzayo! Oh, shit. Hayi, bo! Ibuhlungu! Hayi ibuhlungu laa nto. Hayi wena nyani. Hayi wena uzawulala ububuthongo. Hayi wena like iyazibizwa nyani. Hayi wena bobubuthongo uzabulala. Hayi bo. Iyalala ngaseport bagwelele. Ngakweseport bagwelele nosisofa kahlaza shem. Soze ulibonise senzo yadiliza le
kanti lokho esaqala uzibekela iqale yeah that's the situation right now imeko elolhlo esama siya phakathi cala nabantu abaninzi sibonise uba the damaged eyenzekileyo yabona shoba khulu yabona kunzima nothetha nabantu bayo abantu abakho right. There you are. Look at the damage. Look at the damage. Look at the damage. Let's you look at Club High. Yeah. And also here, that's the situation up on it. Map up on Winnie. Walking. Let's walk. Let me just zoom in. Well, I can. That's museum for you. Then you've got Laymac. There's another one. I don't know. It is right halfway. Situation right now.
Ndiziva ndisikwa inimba ndibukele online kudemolishwa izindlu ezisebhongweni eMonti, East London. I don't know the story bakwenzeka ntoni, ndihlutshwa kukuyazi qha ipain negazi nenyembezi umuntu azikhuphayo when building a house. Nje ndibukele le video nje ndiziva ndilunywa because into yokwakho umuzi ayonto ye-1 day or 2 day, into eba nomuntu emzungezayo. There are moments whereby you are crying alone. There are moments whereby you look at the capital uboma iyaphela or whatever. Imagine imizi imihle phayana iyabotyozwa ngezanto zikarhulumente. Hayi bethunana. May this be a lesson. May this be a lesson. And moreover that, may our government as well find ways, to avoid these things. It is so sad. Kubhlungu. Imagine ugqibela unekhaya ikwenu ozazi ba ni right. Yayibona eminye imizi pha bayi yakhiwe hayi indaba okudlala. Thozi. Botyozwe kanjalo bengathi kube kukramzwa isweets. Yo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Bekhala sililo nesimayemaye lapha e-East London e-Eastern Cape ngalesikhathi tindlu tabo didimolishwa. Kuthiwa lama residents akhe emhlabeni lokungasiwo wabo. Bathi mababatshela nabalokhu babanika ama-notice bangayingeni nje indzaba batithulela ignoring lawo ma-notice bebanikwa wona. So namhla bakhala simayemaye bayathandaza. Some of them, they are even blaming ANC, saying that they will never vote for ANC ever again. Into lekhona ngokwakha endzaweni lengasiyo yakho usuke wade ukuthi lenzawo lowakha kuyo akumele wakhe kuyo, but for some reason some people just think ukuthi hayi masesakhile ngeke baze basende lutho, ngeke baze baphakamise tindlu tethu bayotibeka labafuna khona. Sekwenteka into lefana nale kutholakala indlu sebayidemolisha. Guys, lana sikhuluma ngetindlu tindlu leti serious, tindlu letinhla. Sikhulumi ngemakhaya ukuthi mhlambe uthula ubuka nawo ubone ukuthi but bangakhalela. Guys, sikhuluma ngetindlu letinhla lesibone bathi demolisha lapha Eastern Cape. Uyayibona nayo le guys ukuthi indlu lenhle guys yakhiwe ngetimali letishisa. So kubona nje idemolishwa ngalendlela Ngiyazi wena Nkosi yami kubuhlungu ngendlela lesimanga because uyabona ukuthi kuphuka kwasani ma-window konke imali nje lo muntu lakhe ngayo le ndlu. Nkosi yami imali eshisako. So kubuhlungu kakhulu lokwentekalako. So labanye bakhulumile babeka imibono yabo lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana, labanye basho ukuthi bavelana nabo, labanye basho ukuthi kungalaleli kokulidela kwento lefana nale. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.